Kuala Lumpur, a vibrant fusion of tradition and modernity. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's bustling capital, offers an exciting mix of iconic landmarks, diverse cultural attractions, and a lively urban scene. Here's why tourists will be captivated. Petronas Twin Towers. The Petronas Twin Towers, soaring 452 meters high, are the symbol of Kuala Lumpur's modern skyline. As the tallest twin towers in the world, they offer tourists an unforgettable experience. You can visit the Skybridge on the 41st floor, which connects the two towers, or head up to the observation deck on the 86th floor, where sweeping views of the city will leave you in awe. At night, the towers are beautifully illuminated, creating a stunning visual against the cityscape. It's a must-see for anyone fascinated by architecture and engineering. Batu Caves. For those intrigued by history and culture, Batu Caves is an exceptional destination. This limestone hill houses a series of caves and cave temples, each with its own unique charm. The main attraction is the Temple Cave, a sacred site dedicated to Lord Murugan, whose 43-meter-tall golden statue welcomes visitors at the entrance. To reach the temple, you'll ascend a vibrant set of 272 rainbow-colored steps, a journey that rewards you with stunning views and a sense of spiritual tranquility. During the annual Thaipusam festival, this site comes alive with thousands of Hindu devotees and tourists alike. Bukit Bintang. For travelers seeking excitement, shopping, and entertainment, Bukit Bintang is the place to be. Known as the heartbeat of Kuala Lumpur, it is a bustling district filled with luxury malls, street markets, and a dynamic nightlife scene. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion at Pavilion KL, a taste of local flavors at Jalan Alor's Food Street, or a lively night out in the various bars and clubs, Bukit Bintang offers something for everyone. This area transforms after dark, with vibrant lights and street performers adding to the energetic atmosphere. Together, these attractions create a well-rounded experience for tourists in Kuala Lumpur, offering everything from breathtaking views and spiritual sights to a shopper's paradise. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, the city's unique blend of modernity and tradition ensures you'll leave with unforgettable memories. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and be the first to join me on my next adventure. Penang, a perfect blend of cultural heritage and natural beauty. Penang, Malaysia's paradise of food and culture, is a blend of historic landmarks, stunning natural landscapes, and a rich culinary heritage. Here are some must-see attractions that will captivate visitors. Georgetown. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Georgetown is the heart and soul of Penang. This city is renowned for its well-preserved colonial architecture, with old shophouses, mansions, and churches telling stories of a glorious past. While strolling through this historic district, visitors can not only admire the beauty of the buildings but also discover hidden street art in the alleys, adding vibrant color to the city. Georgetown is also a food haven, where you can taste a variety of world-famous Penang street foods such as char kway teow, asam laksa, and sendal. Whether you're a history buff or a food lover, Georgetown has an irresistible charm that will keep you captivated. Penang Hill. For those who enjoy natural landscapes, Penang Hill is an ideal retreat. Located just outside Georgetown, it offers spectacular panoramic views of the city and a cool climate. The temperature on the hill is much lower, providing a refreshing escape from the tropical heat. Visitors can take a funicular train to the summit, a thrilling journey that also allows you to enjoy the scenic mountain views. Once at the top, you can take in the breathtaking view of Penang, visit historical buildings, leisurely stroll through the hilltop gardens, or indulge in authentic Penang tea. This is a destination where nature and history blend perfectly, making it an unmissable spot. Kek Lok Si Temple. As one of Southeast Asia's largest Buddhist temples, Kek Lok Si is a spiritual haven. The temple complex is grand and intricate, featuring a blend of Chinese, Thai, and Burmese architectural styles. The majestic statue of the Goddess of Mercy, Guanyin, and the 7-story pagoda of 10,000 Buddhas are among the highlights. Kek Lok Si is not only a center of religious faith but also a place of peace and beauty. You can wander through the temple's courtyards and gardens, experiencing the serenity and solemnity it offers. During significant Buddhist festivals, the temple is illuminated with lights, attracting countless worshippers and tourists, creating a magnificent and grand spectacle. These attractions in Penang perfectly combine history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring cultural heritage, enjoying delicious food, or embracing nature, Penang will offer you endless surprises and unforgettable experiences. Malacca, a journey through time. Malacca, Malaysia's historical and cultural capital, transports visitors into a captivating world filled with colonial relics and ancient traditions. It's a place that feels like stepping back in time, with these must-visit attractions drawing travelers into the unique charm of the city. A Famosa Fort, Porta de Santiago. A Famosa Fort, built by the Portuguese in 1511, is one of the oldest surviving European architectural remains in Asia. Although most of the fortress was demolished in the 19th century, this ancient gate still stands, narrating the story of Malacca's glorious past as a key trading port in Southeast Asia. Standing here, visitors can almost hear echoes of history, imagining how Portuguese colonizers once defended their trade empire from this spot. This fort is a window into Malacca's history, offering a glimpse into the city's intersection and clash of civilizations. The Stadhuis. Located at the heart of Malacca, the Stadhuis was built by the Dutch in the 17th century and is the oldest surviving Dutch colonial building in Southeast Asia. Its iconic red brick facade is striking, drawing countless tourists for photos. This building once served as the administrative center of the Dutch colonial government and is now a museum that showcases Malacca's rich history and diverse culture. Inside the Museum of History and Ethnography, visitors can explore how this city evolved from a trading hub into today's melting pot of cultures. Through artifacts and exhibits, one can gain deeper insights into Malacca's unique history under Portuguese, Dutch, and British rule. Jonker Street Night Market. If you enjoy lively atmospheres and authentic local experiences, Jonker Street Night Market is a must-visit. By night, this famous street transforms into a bustling market, offering a wide array of street food, antiques, handicrafts, and souvenirs. You can sample Malacca's signature snacks such as Nyonyaki and laksa, or find one-of-a-kind souvenirs to bring home. The vibrant energy and variety of the night market make it a favorite gathering spot for both locals and tourists. Street performances, enthusiastic vendors, and the abundance of goods ensure every step is filled with surprises, making it an ideal place to experience the multicultural spirit of Malacca. Malacca takes you through centuries of history, allowing you to feel the stories of different civilizations that converged here. The city's unique charm lies not only in its history but in how it blends the past with the present. From ancient buildings to lively night markets, Malacca tells a tale of time, culture, and heritage.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.